My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. They're short, they're sweet, and they're to the point. I've worked, I don't know, about 10,000 cases. I worked at IRS over a decade. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I try to, within 5 minutes, not give you any fluff, just get to the bottom line and tell you the things that you really need to know. So today, I've got to find out what the hell I'm speaking to you about. I want to talk to you about the most important thing to know about how to get rid of IRS debt. Real important for you to know this. It's really the single key. In working those 10,000 cases and understanding the calls people make and sitting on the other side of the desk at IRS, there's one thing you need to know. The single most important thing is, how's IRS going to resolve your debt? That's the key you have to know. You just don't call IRS and say, I have a debt, what are you going to do? You've got to do some due diligence, and you've got to find out what factor that they are going to use. And that's what I'm going to tell you about. It's really, really simple. You have to know the process of resolving debt. And this is usually what happens. IRS is going to take a financial statement on you. The financial statement is online, the 433A, that's used in the local office on bigger cases by revenue officers, or the 433F, used by the service center. You call the 1-800 number. So what IRS is going to do is they're going to ask you to complete that financial statement. They're going to want your bank statements. They're going to want your pay stubs. They're going to want to know your expenses. They're going to want that form completely documented. Most people are completely unaware that this is what IRS is going to do. They have to have the same system of evaluating everyone in the United States. It's not like saying, okay, you make 7,000, let's do this. No, for security reasons, they have to treat everybody the same. But what you have to know in trying to resolve this debt or move from the debt, that IRS has what's called a national standard program that they use. If you look at the form 433A, and I go ahead and encourage you to pick that up or download it, stop my video at this point and pull up a 433A, not the OICA, the 433A, pull it up. You're going to go to page 4. And you are going to see a column under expenses that says actual expenses and for IRS use only. The most important thing on that page is the IRS use only. IRS is going to lock you into certain expenses. That is, IRS has a national standard program for housing and utilities, for food and clothing, for your car payments, and to drive the car. IRS is going to dictate to you how much you can spend, and they're not going to go out of that boundary. They're going to keep you right there. So before you even bother to call and you want to resolve, you have to understand the IRS debt program. That's what it's all based on. It's based on that financial statement, and they're making sure where you live through the Department of Labor, you are spending the amount of money that you should where you live. So if you have an IRS debt, you've got to fill out that 433A or F and show someone who knows what the hell they're doing. If you don't, you're going into a crapshoot. And at the end of the day, you're going to have serious issues that you're going to be dealing with. Now, if you're broke and you have nothing to worry about, don't be afraid to go ahead and represent yourself. If you have sizable debt and you don't understand that form, you are walking right into a buzzsaw, and that's when you stop. So if you're not sure and you're making any sizable money, don't do this by yourself. Call me, call your accountant, call someone so at least you understand the program and you've done your due diligence, and then you'll at least know. You want to be ahead of IRS. You want to be able to know the questions IRS is going to ask you before they ask you. That's how you get success in dealing with your tax debt. Anyway, thank you very much. By the way, a subscription is really important for me. Give me one. You just click that subscription. It lets YouTube know you like me. Okay, you can leave comments, call me, available for a free consultation. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you.